How to fix Call of Duty Warzone 0xc0000005 error. 1. Launch the Scan and Repair for your Warzone in Battle.net app. 2. Select GeForce Experience's Optimize option for Warzone. 3. Make Warzone run with DXX11. Note, check additional command line arguments and input D3D11 in the text box. 4. Update the graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Rename Warzone's Modern Warfare folder in Documents. 6. Turn off NVIDIA highlights. 7. Disable the on-demand texture streaming graphics setting in Call of Duty Warzone options. 8. Disable or quit Asus Game First 6 background software. 9. Reinstall the Battle.net client. Uninstall then reinstall Call of Duty Warzone. Like this.